Thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
What's up, guys? Come with me to my hair appointment. I just got this package in the mail. Super excited. Wiggins Hair sent me over a new unit, and your girl is going back black. Yes, I'm switching to a black unit. You know I love my blonde ones, but this unit comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Look at this. It's looking like scalp already. I'm super excited to get her installed. So this unit is a full lace front wig. It is a loose deep wave. Look at the juicy curls, human hair, and this is the perfect curly unit that it's not too curly that you have to wet your hair every day. So it has a attachable band to make sure you get that snug fit, and I'm just showing you guys the details of this unit, which I feel like are perfect. I mean, coming straight out of the box. You see how it's blending on my hand right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put her in my box and let's head to the hair salon.
We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
I think at this point, us girls, we know when we get our wig out of that box, if it's going to lay perfectly on our head when it's installed. It's all about how that lace is looking from the unboxing. I already knew that this lace was a hit, and as you guys can see, as the unit is on my head, before we even do too much to it, it's looking good. Although this process is sped up, this does take a bit of time with putting the glue on. We used about 2 to 3 coats of glue just so we can make sure that my unit stays on for a good week without it lifting up. I make sure to use my band and wear my band at nighttime once we're finished to just keep the longevity of my wigs. But as you guys can see, she's taking her time putting my glue on and just making sure that I have a nice layer of glue so that my unit sticks to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on We are now finishing up at my hair appointment, just using a spray bottle to define my curls. I absolutely love these. I like that it's silky, so it's a little bit more easy to manage in the wintertime because it's currently wintertime, but your girl still rocks her curly hair in this time. She needs to book a vacation. We need a little winter vacation. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But as you guys can see, my hairstylist is diffusing my hair before I walk out the salon, so my hair is not wet as I walk out. So off the cape it is. We're gonna take this band off so you guys can see the hairline, which is chef's kiss. Absolutely love it. I decided to do a side part with this thing, and the hair is absolutely beautiful. Like absolutely beautiful. I love this hair. And that's it, guys. This is the finished look. I'm just getting my last little touch-ups, but she's smiling. Listen, your hairstylist is supposed to make you have this biggest smile on your face when you're leaving the salon. It's supposed to be melted just like this. So, you guys, I love this unit. I love my install. Hair details will be in the description box. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Would you guys rock it? And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.